Hello everyone, welcome back to our Flutter tutorial series. In the last video, we installed Flutter and run our first app. Today, we will understand the Flutter project structure, every folder and file explained clearly. This video will remove all confusion for beginners. Let's start. Why project structure is important? When you open up Flutter projects for the first time, you see many folders. Okay, there are many folders. Let's create a Flutter project so everyone see the same structure. Okay, so simply open the terminal, cd equals to movies folder. Okay, here we create our Flutter application. Okay, so first use Flutter create demo app is our Flutter name. Okay, wait few seconds, see everything is done. Okay, now we move to our okay, here is our project. We open with our VS Code or anything. Okay, and we open it. Okay, pictures. Okay, authorize. So this is our basic code. Okay, after opening in VS Code or Android Studio, now we go to the root level overview. Okay, at the root level, Flutter creates multiple folders and files automatically, like this Android folders, iOS, lib folder, test folder, build folder. When we run, that time is build folder create. Our pubspec.yaml file, pubspec log file. Okay, we will understand them one by one. First, go to the pubspec.yaml. This file manages for your app configuration. What is contains app name, version, dependency, assets, and fonts. Okay, simply here is a function. Here is your app name. Okay, this is used for create packages and plugins. That time we see. Remove this line. If you remove this line, it's go to the packages of plugins. Okay, this is now go to environment is here. Flutter SDK installed version. Okay, now go to the dependency. This dependency. Whenever you add a package, it goes to here. Okay, here is already one package. Corruption icon. Although we need any packages, we add here. Okay, add package here. Okay, now we need to use images or fonts. We must declare them in pubspec.yaml. Also we declare fonts and assets. Here is the object assets and here is asset path. Okay, this is simple asset path. Okay, same is for fonts. Then here then our font name in fonts here then is values. Okay, style wise. Okay, now what is pub log files? This file logs dependency versions, auto-generated, ensure same version anywhere, do not edit manually. Okay, when you go here and do pub yet, this file automatically generated. We delete it, there is delete. Okay, now go to pub.yaml file and pub get. It is everything down. See, is already auto-generated. Okay, here is only version of its dependency, like correction icons is dependency version. Okay, now we go to the lib folder. All your dart and UI code lives inside lib folder. Okay, here is main.dart. Inside this main.dart functions, this is where the Flutter app starts. Main first function. This is the first function. Is the entry point of our Flutter main code. Okay, and what we use runApp. Loads widget tree. runApp is used to do widget tree. On what is MyApp? MyApp. This is a childless widgets used to root widgets. Okay. Now go to the MyApp. Inside what we do. This is root widget. We will declare app name, roots, pins and other things in our material app. Here we do navigation, step message key, home widget, utility. Right? Okay. If you in the routes, initialize route, unknown route, navigation notification, navigation observation, builder, title, ungenerate title, color, theme, dark theme, high constant theme, high constant dark theme mode, light, dark, system based. Okay, this is the menu options for do and link material things. Okay, now we go to the scraper and structure view. Here we call my home page. We have got stateful widgets. Okay, insert my state. Field is used for UI. So here is use scraper. Then app bar used to used to create your app bar. Okay, scraper provide basic app layout. Is a app bar, navigation bar, tower, body, all things in a scraper. Is a basic app layout. Okay. Now we move to the Android folder. This folder handles Android specific stuff. Android manifest XML, header files, permission, app icons. Okay. So to communicate with Android throughout this file. Okay. Same as we have a iOS file. This folder handles iOS specific configuration, info place, app delegate speed, permissions, icons, or everything. Okay. Okay. This is simple things. Now we go to the test folder. This folder is used for testing. Okay, this is used for testing. In case you use anything test that time you can declare your test cases here and test version is working or not. Okay. Testing improves app quality. So must use app testing. Using this test folder and we create your test cases. Okay. Now platform folders like there is macOS, Linux and Windows web. Other for platform desktop. Okay. If you enable other platform, you will see web, window, macOS, Linux. Flutter supports all of them in one project. Okay, because Flutter is a SDK which provides a single code base for multiple platform. Okay, so this is our basic success in our main.dart. We in real apps we organize code like some folders. Okay, folders like we create a basic folder. Okay, like screens, widgets, models, models, service, constant, utils. Okay, this is basic. As a friends, beginners, you can use this for the project subject for basic understanding. Okay. Now there is also we can create like other project subject. Okay. Everything. Okay. Here is the create like core features. Okay. View. Okay. You can create project subject like also is core features and view. Here is you. Okay, see, okay, for the models. Okay, here you features in we create a feature page like authentication, register, login are features. So we can use features here, features in UI and block controller. Calling use our calling core features like services, API calling, file-based integration things. Okay, modeling we create our models. Okay, and we create utils. Okay, you can follow this structure also you can follow like create like first models, then services. Okay, then view. Okay, then controller. You can follow this structure also. Here we create our model services here, our UI here in our controller, like block controller, providers, or other state handler things using get controller. All things we use in a controller. Okay. So simply for now use these basic structures. Okay. Then we move to the other hard object structures in block, text, get, provider. Okay. Then we arrange our spec for each item. Okay. Never do these things as a beginners. Writing all code in main.dart, not organized files, editing build folders, ignoring pubspec.yaml. Okay, these are the mainly things you need to handle. Okay, so focus on switching. Okay, in the next video we will learn stateless widget versus stateful widgets. A must know Flutter concept. If this video helped to you, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one.